Import users. We360.ai's Import User Explained. Thank you for choosing We360.ai. In this video, we will look at how to add and import users in your account when using the software for the first time. To add users in We360.ai, there are two ways. First is individually, and second is through bulk upload. Let us see how we can add users to We360.ai individually. Go to Settings. Click on User Management. Click on Add User button. Fill in all the information and hit Submit button. Isn't that easy? Now, let us see how we can import users in bulk in 3 simple steps. First, click on Import User. You will find a sample CSV file to download there, which should explain how the CSV file should look like. The download file would look like this. Enter all the data in your CSV file in the same format. Upload the file by clicking this option on the left side of the screen. Before uploading, click on Validate to find any mistake in the format. If there are any errors, the software will indicate the cell which needs modification. Once that is done, click on Import and all the users will be imported in seconds. And just like that, you are ready to use We360.ai and increase workplace efficiency. Raise a ticket from your admin portal to get support from our customer success team.